Walk muna kami guys. Exercise.
Papakain ng mga ano.
Papakain ng mga ano ni JB, friends ni JB.
Madami yan.
Dami oh. Pilipinas to, inihaw na to. You know. How are you guys? See? Check their ano fit nak JB. Oh. Learn from them na how they, you know. See? They swing fast na. Tayo. Paikot kami yan guys. Mamaya. Doon. Exercise guys. Healthy living guys. Healthy living.
Para may makita yung
JP's feeding the geese. Busog.
Hey, mommy, they're going straight to the water.
Kaya they drinking.
busog na daw sila tapos
Yes.
kumain.
Even without now.
You want to feed ba? Okay, a little bit lang ha. Kaya give some to Ibis.
Hey, yeah.
Open again na.
Kasi,
Nag-aantay itong isa.
naku ano yung kanyang ano mo? Oh, tapon mo yan. Man. Bigyan mo sila mami. Mami dat bulto. Hearty dat bulto sila kasi para makit na ano. Eh, pre, Pilipino ba na pre? Buti mo pre. Pakain, nagpapakain. Balik sila. Bumalik sila.
Kakain ulit sila. Kakain ulit sila.
Pilipino pala yon,
Yeah.
no?
I know that you
Ayun, balik sila. Bigyan mo sila to, mami. Mami, bigyan mo sila. Ayun o, bigyan mo sila doon. Mami, bigyan mo sila doon. Ano no?
Kontento pa.
Jeppy, ano lang, don't spread. Like that, oh. Yan, bulto, mami.
Baka paano yung bubot.
They touch me.
Hindi ka siya bambam. Put it there lang, don't spread.
Bamba.
Don't spread na.
That's your bamba.
Yeah. Dami, oh. Eh, bigyan mo. Don't spread, nak. You give it, anak. Bigyan mo nga siya, mami.
Hello.
Tara. Jeppy, mahulog kayo, mami. Mahulog kayo, Jeppy. Jeppy. Run.
Go na.
Let's go to the tree.
Okay, go to the bridge here.
Iba naman. Iba.
We're safe here, Jeppy. We're safe. Yan na. Dito naman kami, guys. Ano, guys? Ibis naman. Ibang friend ni JP.
Oh, there's lots of ducks here.
Okay. Like that? Ding, 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 ding. Basta there, go there, nak. Didn't. Dami yung ibis, oh. At numbers, you know. Woy! Nice one.
Oh, I see that swampin bird eating something.
Yes. Oh. Ito, balance na. Or hold mommy's hand.
May magandang ano.
Magandang duck, no? Parang golden. Dugong bugaw yan, dugong bugan. Eh. Ano mo, baka madami yan. Lips.
Hindi naman ang punto sa. Nag-aagaw sila. Ayun na yung kaibigan na si Jay.
You throw it there, JB. Oh, ayun, oh.
Oh, nag-aawa sila.
Hey, mate. Chase JP, mate.
Okay, let's go na.
Oh, look, the pelican.
Yeah, I see, oh. Pelican na. That's the pelican here. JP, oh. JP nag-give doon eh. First, run there a little bit, ah. Okay, run, not toward to the water. JB's done eh, oh. JB that is done. Wow! Ayan, patapos na kami guys. Meron na rin na nakausap ko guys.
Uuwi na.
Ang tawag dyan, mami?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.